So I had the Measuring Penny article, and one of the questions was, what are early challenges students had with measuring? And one, it talked about kind of how they measure and the misconceptions with that. Just kind of understanding the visual comparison when given a line that was just kind of straight like that, or like a wavy line that wasn't as long, but it was longer because it had more waves in it. They thought that the straight line was longer because it goes longer, not... They're just kind of confused with visually comparing the two. So it also talked about the activities that can assist with this, just assisting knowledge of length and measurement, and there's 5 different ones that it talked about. The first one was comparing activities. So this can be like using a paperclip or a straw, just using the different types of measurement. And then it went on to ordering by length, so like shortest to longest, kind of comparing those. And then direct comparison, so like a straw to a water bottle. And then 4 was using non-standard measurement tools. So in this it talked about like working with groups and then measuring objects maybe around the classroom. We actually did this in class, and I really thought this was interesting and easy to connect to. So they used like straws and then maybe measured the table, like the length of the table, or toothpicks and measured someone's shoe. So it's just kind of using real world objects with things, non-standard things, measurement tools that they were given. And then the 5th one was measuring non-straight patterns. So this kind of goes back into the difficulties or misconceptions that they had. And they were given 3 different pieces of tape, kind of paths along the room, and they had to figure out which one was the longest and shortest. I really liked this article. It was super interesting. It just talked about how a children's story was created for meaningful context and engaged the students in learning about measurement concepts. And then also it taught what kinds of activities could be useful to help provide the students of understanding with this length and measurement.